Sefikile uJune 30 wodumo ekade sizwa ngaye ngabe iyozala nkomone ngawo uJune 30. Angibingelele ngiwusiphumelele uwakaZondo nondaba ofika nezindaba every single week right here kuyiGagasi FM News Wrap. Kanti sizwile nesilo samabandla onke uMisuzulu kaZwelithini indlula mithi encenga ukuthi Zulu amaphaphu phansi igazi alingachitheki.
Politics, justice, umnotho, emphakathini. The stories that matter, wrapped up for you every week. This is the Gagasi FM News Wrap, hosted by Siphumelele Zondi.
Uzokhumbula ukuthi there have been marches that started ngoMarch nyakenye. Lama march ayebizwa ngeMarch and March kwase kuyashintsha ke kwabe organization eseyaziwa ngokuthi iMarch and March. Le organization almost every single month endaweni ezihlukahlukene has been hosting ama march, and in fact ungathi they've been escalating. Sebeze baqala bahlangana nezinye inhlangano esike siyibone zihamba wona lama march aqale edolobheni laseThekwini, sike sabona eMthatha, sike sabona kuGompo eEastern Cape, sabona eGoli, ePretoria, eVereniging. Recently in the last couple of weeks siyibonile imarch yase Maritzburg yenzeka, and bathi balwa nokuthi abokufika must be legal and must be documented in the country. Ngakho ke amaphoyisa ayasho ukuthi anovalo wona ukuthi lo June 30 wodumo ekuthiwa kuzoba imarch enkulukazi ya June 30 ukuthi ingase iphume esandleni. Ngakho amaphoyisa have spent u600 million wamarandi to ensure safety. Bayasho ukuthi ikakhulukazi kwi-province yase KZN.
The South African Police Service is fully prepared and focused on ensuring that these demonstrations take place in a safe, secure and orderly environment. Let me be clear. The South African Police Service has no intention of preventing anyone from exercising their democratic right to demonstrate peacefully. Our responsibility is to facilitate the lawful exercise of that right while protecting all participants, other members of the public, as well as property, and maintaining public order.
Kusenjalo sike sabona namaqembu epolitiki ahlukahlukene divided about what line to take ngawo lama march aqhubekayo that say they want those who are in the country who are coming from elsewhere, especially on the African continent and other parts of the world like Pakistan. They want them to be documented, kube namaphepha ashoyo ukuthi banegunye lokuthi bakhona ezweni, kanti futhi lokho abazokwenza ezweni ikona ngempela abakwenzayo ezweni. Bathi for example, if ufike ngokuzofunda then iba umuntu ofundayo ungabonakali usumuntu onestolo. They're divided about the strategy that should be taken. Sike sayizwa iDA ongazuthi beyikhuluma ngokuthi yobe ehlisane amaphapha izinto azenziwe ngendlela esemthethweni. Sike sayibona iIFP nawo umkhonto wesizwe party bewajoyina lama march nabo beparticipate, kanye nayo iAction SA ike yaparticipate kwamanye awo lama march. Abese kuzothi ke i-African National Congress, ANC, uSecretary General wayo uFikile Mbalula uke washo ukuthi ungathi kunomkhonyovu wezepolitiki, ubuye ungathi yena ufuna isandla ukusikhomba sibheke ngaku President Jacob Zuma or former President Jacob Zuma kwakupresident we-ANC ekuyena umsunguli wayo i-MK Party. Kodwa ke uFikile Mbalula ungathi uyavuma ukuthi yebo ikhona inkinga ngabantu who are undocumented. Uyavuma ukuthi ungathi baningi kakhulu ezweni, kanti okunye akushoyo ukuthi it can be a security threat.
I make this example. I was Minister of Police. There are buildings here in and around Johannesburg. They are occupied by people who've got no documentation. And if that person were to smash and grab your phone and anything else, you won't find them anywhere. Jacob Zuma is an elder in this country. He was a president. South Africans in this are failing to hold him accountable for things that he does and which happened under his watch.
Uzokhumbula ukuthi eThekwini kunabantu abaningi baseMalawi ekade besho ukuthi bayaxoshwa kulezi indawo abahlala kuzona khona noma stande abathi nabo sebeyasaba manje ngoba kufika abantu emphakathini bathi ungabaqashisi labantu baseMalawi obaqashisile kulomjondolo wakho kuleli room lakho kuleli lokishi ophila kulona. Abanye ke baphumile ke bayogcwala edolobheni laseThekwini kunama camps asethapiwe edolobheni laseThekwini where they're being processed ukuthi baqale balungiselele ukubuyela kuwela khona eMalawi. Kuqale ngohulumeni waseMalawi uthi they were going to provide transportation ukuthutha abantu baseMalawi base ke beyaphuma in their thousands and thousands. Uhulumeni waseMalawi wasethi cha asinayo imali yokubathutha ungathi kungaphezulu kwamandla ethu wasuyangenelela ke uhulumeni wase South Africa and started to process bona labantu baseMalawi.
Abantu umuntu uhleze ecinga impilo engcono ukuphi la ngathola khona amadlela ahlaza ukuthi umndeni wami uphile bakwethu. Ngizonicela maZulu sizwe selembe lingachitheki igazi ningabashayi laba bantu bazisho ukuhlupheka la njengoba nathi sihluphekela siyathi nami ngiyahluphekela nawu hluphekele ngizakuthini ke.
Right, lufikile ke usuku luka June 30 lo mnqamla juqu okade kukhulunywa ngayo since pretty much the beginning of the year. We still are unsure about what's going to happen ngawo lo June 30, but March and March has repeatedly said ukuthi bona izinto abayi-organizayo marches, hence igama leqembu iMarch and March. Kodwa ke siyazizwa inhlaka ezihlukahlukene ukuthi they are worried ukuthi into izophuma endleleni naso isilo sizwile sikhala ukuthi ngeke igazi alingachitheki on the day. Sikhumbule futhi ukuthi in whatever that we do lelizwe like lachithekelwa igazi kakhulu. Isifundazwe saKwaZulu Natal sike sachithekelwa igazi kakhulu. Yebo zikhona inkinga ezikhona kodwa kuyacelwa ukuthi ayingaphumi esandleni ukuthi kuze kuchitheke igazi engamele lichitheke kubuyele kulezi ayikhathi zezimpi ezake zaba khona ngekhathi ezidlule. Uhulumeni uyavuma ukuthi inkinga zona zikhona. Uhulumeni uyavuma ukuthi yebo sebeqalile ukuprocessa izinto ekumele ngabe bayasiprocessa. Na uhulumeni mhlawumbe uyadinga ukuthi uke ushawe ngoswazi ukuthi why must there be izimo ezikanje izwe lize lingene engcupheni kuze kube nalamawari akhona njengamanje engabe kwenziwa izinto nabo abashoyo ukuthi cha akwenzekanga kahle bekungenzeki ngendlela ekumele ngabe kwenzeka ngayo njengoba simuzwa uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa simuzwa owaye uminister kwaHulumeni uFikile Mbalula nayo echaza ukuthi ngathi indaba yabantu aba-undocumented in the country impela ithanda ukubanzima. Siyizwile ne-SIU i-Special Investigative Unit kuwona lo nyaka isho ukuthi sebeqalile ukubopha abantu kakhulukazi baka Home Affairs ababuye badayise amaphepha ase-South Africa ngokungekho emthethweni bedayisela abantu engamele babe khona ezweni. Bayasho ukuthi bayaqala ke bayaklina manje. These things should not be treated as events. Uma ngabe kuukuthi bayabona ngempela ukuthi there is a security threat engenzeka ngaphakathi noma eqhamuka outside the country ngenxa yomsebenzi kumele ngabe awenzekanga ngendlela. Ngakho ke it can't be treated as an event. Kumele kuqhubeke uma kuukuthi umsebenzi sebewuqalile. Uma kuukuthi ngelinye ilanga ama-march ayaphela. Uma kuukuthi ngelinye ilanga izinto zibuyela esimweni ebeziyiso before kufike ama-march akwazi ukuthi kuthiwe khumu sengabuyela kulezi inkinga. Wona uhulumeni naye upresident athi zibe khona zangenziwa ngendlela. Ama-politicians will always be politicians. Siyazi ukuthi njengoba seyingenelelwa nama-political parties ukuthi ne-politricking ike ibe khona kuzona lezi zinto. Unyaka wokhetho ngonyaka wokhetho you want to appeal to abantu and namaqembu epolitiki siyawazi ukuthi now they want to appeal to abantu ukuthi nabo ngempela makuwukuthi into ehlale ibaxakile le awulindi unyaka wokhetho ukuthi uze ukhulume uthi iyasixaka ngempela into ohlale ukhuluma ngayo ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuze sibone ukuthi i-ideology yakho i-agenda yakho yangaso sonke isikhathi and abantu abaqali manje ukukhuluma ukuthi iSouth Africa kungenzeka ukuthi inamabhoda angamile kahle bese kuba khona ke nalokho okunyeke ukuthi South Africa siyazi ukuthi kunama statutes that we are a part of kunezinto zo United Nations that we are a part of savuma ukuthi if abantu bebhekene nezinkinga emazweni abo bangeza bazocasha la ukuthi ukhona umehluko phakathi komuntu oyi-refugee nomuntu ozele ezinye izinto i-law enforcement nayo ke kubalekile ukuthi ingenelele leyo ibheke ukuthi lo uyi-refugee lo akayona i-refugee ngoba njenganami nje angazi nokuthi amaphepha makuthiwa angibheke amaphepha omuntu ukuthi usezweni ngokusemthethweni noma akukho emthethweni akazi nokuthi ngingaqala ngaphi ngoba akuwona umsebenzi wami kodwa ke yila sicela khona ukuthi abantu ekuwumsebenzi wabo bayazazi lezi zinto abake benze umsebenzi wabo nabo ngoba uhulumeni uyavuma ukuthi kunje amaphutha enzekile kukhona abantu ababededengu bangawenza umsebenzi wabo abawenzeke umsebenzi wabo ukuze kungabe khona izimo ezikanje in future uthola ukuthi abantu sebephumile bathi cha kuhlaselwa noma ubani ongathola ukuthi nalaba abasezweni ngokusemthethweni sebethola amachaphazelo ngoba abantu abathi siyachecka eksizwa kuthiwa abanye sebengena mhlambe nasemaflatini abantu abazi ukuthi yini ekumele bayibheke kulabo bantu uthole sekukhona namachaphazelo enzekayo.
Whose responsibility is it to protect the country? Is it us? It's definitely not our responsibility. You can't place that on us. If the government is going to be spending 600 million, then they must work for it. Yeah. They must show us that they can be able to protect the country. We can't be crying every day over our borders being porous and them failing to protect us as the citizens. And when we decide we want to stand up against them, suddenly everyone has a voice about how we must take responsibility. Who takes responsibility for all those children who are out on the streets smoking drugs? Who takes responsibility for all those things coming in our borders? Who takes responsibility for all the human trafficking that's happening in this country?
All right, that's all we have for you. Higama uSiphumelele Zondo nondaba ofika neindaba every single week. Sithemba ukuthi ngo June 30 angeke kube khona ububi obuzoba khona. Sithemba ukuthi njengoba isilo sincengile alikho igazi elizochitheka. Mina nethemba leGagasi FM News Wrap nisale kahle.
Catch a brand new episode. You can watch the podcast noma ungalalela i-podcast kwi-app yethu noma inini noma kuphi. Gagasi FM News puts KZN first.